Chicago-style pizza. It's just not the same outside of the Chicagoland area. Fortunately, Blue Malnati's Tastes of Chicago will ship you an authentic pizza direct from the Windy City. And I definitely take advantage of this. It costs about the same as a pizza at an upscale sit-down restaurant, though admittedly it is a little small. It's a little silly, but it's taken me a little while to perfect the technique of baking this on my own. Oftentimes, I would end up with a pizza that was soggy, or that was stuck to the pan, or even sometimes burned a little. Let's take a look at the directions. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Done. Lift pizza out of pan. I set it on top of the cardboard lid even though there's a little condensation on it. Hasn't caused me problems. Wipe away any condensation. Be sure to do a thorough job on this step. I use a paper towel. Light the oil pan. This one is where I probably messed it up each time. Here I'll be using some olive oil, and I put down just enough to fill the circle in the center of the pan. Then, using a different paper towel, spread it around real good. Return the pizza to the pan and cook for 40 to 45 minutes. I always need to give it at least 45 minutes, sometimes longer. It's always a drag when you get things all ready, slice up the pizza, and then you find out the cheese is still cold. After I've taken it out of the oven, I'm going to use this meat thermometer here to check the temperature. Alright, yeah, it looks like it's warm enough. That's good, okay. So I'm going to now crush down the side of the pan, and I'll just lift out the pizza here. And I'm going to put it on this pizza pan that I made another pizza on earlier. Now, I want to use my machete to cut it, but you really shouldn't mix business with pleasure, so I'll just use this pizza slicer. Listen to the crust crunching there. That's a good pizza. That's all I've got for today. What do you think? Is this not the best Chicago-style pizza? Does this technique result in optimally baked pizzas for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. See you next time!